Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Forney Easy Weld 261. Forney Easy Weld is a budget-friendly handy entry-level wire feed welder. The Forney Easy Weld 140 FCI machine uses flux core wire. Applications include do-it-yourself, maintenance and repair, metal fabrication and hobbyist. The Forney 140 welder is an impressive flux core capable welder. Perfect for first-time welders up to avid users. Applications include do-it-yourself projects, general metal fabrication, maintenance and repair, farm and ranch and automotive work. It has infinite voltage and wire feed speed control so you can dial in the perfect weld. Perfect entry-level welder. For details, let's watch more.
Hi, I'm Caitlin with Forney Industries. Here we have our Forney Easy Weld 140 FCI. FCI stands for Flux Cord Inverter. Let's open it up and show you what's inside. This basic flux cord inverter welding machine does not require gas. Some people may call it a MIG machine, but it is more correctly called a wire feed welder because gas cannot be added to this machine. Instead, you must use a flux cord wire for your filler metal. It comes with a quick start guide, owner's manual, Forney Industries contact information, a 15 to 20 amp plug adapter, a ground clamp, torch, and an extra contact tip. The 140 FCI uses up to 030 flux cord wire. With flux cord wire, the flux is built into the wire and provides the shielding needed over the molten weld puddle. This machine can easily accept and drive a 10-pound spool of wire. The left knob is to adjust your voltage, and the right knob is for your wire feed speed. Remember to wear the proper personal protective gear, non-flammable clothing like cotton or denim, safety glasses, a welding helmet, welding gloves, and an FR jacket. The 140 FCI is a great machine for do-it-yourselfers, maintenance and repair, metal fabrication, and hobby.
Our second best welder for home use is Hobart 500,559 Handler. Built with Hobart quality and durability, the Handler 140 is Hobart's most popular MIG welder. Operating on standard 115 volts household current, the Handler 140 is extremely versatile and perfect for the welder that wants to work on auto body, household repairs, farm projects or yard art projects. A 5-position tapped voltage control selector gives you the ability to fine-tune your arc, offering a smooth, stable arc on all thicknesses. Built with an industrial cast aluminum drive system and a heavy-duty work clamp, the Handler 140 delivers a wire welding package with industrial performance. Third choice in our list is Lotos CT520D. If you are new to arc or stick welding, this unit is ideal for you. Not only is it easier for beginners to use, but it is also a top-rated plasma cutter. As a cutter, you can use it on almost all materials, including copper, alloy steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. You get an amperage range of 15A to 200A, which is wide enough to use for welding most types of steel. The unit also has an adjustable hot striking arc current, which makes arc starting much easier. It is a genuinely versatile machine, as you can use it for TIG processes as well. Even though the CT520D only has DC power, most reviewers agree that this unit is perfect for neat and efficient stick welding projects. Number 4 in our side is Hobart 500,553 Handler. 100SD stick welder features an innovative inverter power system that is lightweight and simple to use, ensuring hassle-free operation and top performance results. The perfect starter arc welder machine delivers a 120 volts input and 90A output, plus is TIG capable, sold separately. Efficiently designed to handle up to 1/8 electrode and weld 16 gauge up to 5/16. Great for dome automotive applications and projects around the home. Easy start technology makes every arc strike a breeze. Applications include do-it-yourself, maintenance and repair, and hobbyist. Perfect for beginners. Let's watch more.
Hi, I'm Caitlin with Forney Industries. Here we have our Forney Easy Weld 140 FCI. FCI stands for Flux Cord Inverter. Let's open it up and show you what's inside. This basic flux cord inverter welding machine does not require gas. Some people may call it a MIG machine, but it is more correctly called a wire feed welder because gas cannot be added to this machine. Instead, you must use a flux cord wire for your filler metal. It comes with a quick start guide, owner's manual, Forney Industries contact information, a 15 to 20 amp plug adapter, a ground clamp, torch, and an extra contact tip. The 140 FCI uses up to 030 flux cord wire. With flux cord wire, the flux is built into the wire and provides the shielding needed over the molten weld puddle. This machine can easily accept and drive a 10-pound spool of wire. The left knob is to adjust your voltage, and the right knob is for your wire feed speed. Remember to wear the proper personal protective gear, non-flammable clothing like cotton or denim, safety glasses, a welding helmet, welding gloves, and an FR jacket. The 140 FCI is a great machine for do-it-yourselfers.
Last in our top 5 best welder for home use list is Hobart, 500,553 handler. The Hobart Handler 210 MVP allows for great welder portability and convenience through the use of a multi-voltage plug. This option lets you plug the unit into either a 115 volts or 230 volts outlet with an easy change of the plug. The generous operating parameters allow you to weld 24 Ga to 3/8 of an inch steel in a single pass. Plus, it is extremely versatile and perfect for the welder who wants to work on auto body, household repairs, or even heavier farm projects requiring extra power. With an arsenal of standard features such as 7 output voltage settings and a dual groove quick change drive roll, the Handler 210 is as versatile as it is powerful. For details, let's watch more.
Hi, this is Shane with Hobart Welding Products. Today we're going to take a look at the Hobart Handler 210 MVP. This machine will run off a 115 or 230. With 210 amps on the 230 side, this is a very powerful unit in a small compact case. Comes with a 10-foot rugged MIG gun, gas regulator with 5-foot gas hose, heavy-duty ground clamp and cable, and a roll of flux core wire and extra tips so you can start welding right out of the box. As I mentioned, this machine will run off of 115 or 230. Comes with both plugs to run off of either voltage, and all you have to do is pick the appropriate plug, line up the arrows on the cable on the plug, screw it on, plug it into the input power, and the machine will automatically recognize whether it's 115 or 230. You don't have to do any switching inside the machine. Taking a look at the front of the Handler 210 MVP, you'll notice the variable speed wire feed control, 7 tap settings allowing you to fine-tune your weld down to 24 gauge steel and up to 3/8 mild steel in a single pass when you're on the 230 volt plug. Just like all Hobart wire feed welders, a quick reference guide is located on the back of the access door. This will allow you to set up your machine without any of the guesswork. Just choose the material you're welding, the thickness, and it will tell you where to set your voltage and your wire feed speed. So that was your look at the Hobart Handler 210 MVP. For welding aluminum, don't forget the Spool Runner 100 spool gun, part number 30796. It is a direct plug into this unit, no other adapters required. The Handler 210 MVP is proudly designed and manufactured in Troy, Ohio, USA, backed by the industry's best warranty. The Handler 210 MVP's ability to run 115 or 230 makes it one of the most versatile MIG.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.